The Medmont Meridia Vantage Scleral Topographer offers a wide range of analysis options. This video will review how the attribute analysis can assist with your scleral lens fitting. Medmont users will be familiar with the attribute analysis along the right-hand side of your screen. In this case, our chord diameter is selected for analysis at 15 millimeters. At this diameter, we can see the flat meridian sagittal depth, or the shallow meridian depth, is 3,698 microns. Just below, we can see the axis of the flattest meridian of the eye, 3 degrees. In the case of a symmetric or spherical landing lens, we'd expect it to land across the 3-degree axes. In the case of the steep axis or deepest axis of the eye, we can see the measured sagittal depth is 4,118 microns, and that deepest axis is 108 degrees. When comparing our flat and steep axis, we can see the sag difference at a 15 millimeter chord is 420 microns. We can also see that the meridian difference between the axis of our flattest meridian and axis of our steepest meridian is 105 degrees. The farther the meridian difference is from 90 degrees, the more likely an asymmetric lens may be required. In order to select your initial diagnostic lens, you can choose the appropriate apical clearance that you desire. In this case, we've entered a 300 micron fluid layer that we desire between the back surface of the lens and the eye surface. Based on the entered apical clearance, the Medmont software has calculated that a sagittal depth of 3,998 microns would be the recommended sag of scleral lens to start with. This attribute analysis provides us with the depth of the flat meridian, the depth of the steep meridian, the axes that we expect the lens to align along. It also gives us an understanding of the toricity and whether a symmetric, toric, or asymmetric lens should be used. And it'll also help to determine the initial diagnostic lens based on your desired apical clearance. For more information on the Medmont Meridia Vantage attributes, contact your authorized Medmont distributor.